and welcome back to my channel Lorv Vibes. I'm Estella Johnson and today I'm going to show you how I did my foil nails. Let's start by putting a layer of our primer. Prepare the foil before starting your nails. I'm using soft violet and rose gold. Cut a piece and with a piece of cotton with acetone, clean the back of your foil and set aside. I'm starting with a layer of UV gel. With the help of our number 4 brush, apply it the same way you paint your nails. Make sure to clean the excess and cure for 30 seconds. Now a layer of foundation. Cure for 30 seconds in the lamp. Today I will be using a shade of violet. I'm going to do 3 layers on each hand and cure for 30 seconds each layer. To apply the foil, first we're going to use a coat of foundation. Cure for 30 seconds. Now, take the piece of foil you prepared and press it onto your nail and take it away. Keep doing it until you get the design you want. Just follow your heart. Done! Now I'm going to give a matte finish to the nails without the foil. And a layer of top coat to the other two. And cure for 30 seconds. Go on to the next hand. Ta-da! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.